Well, I had to give the front wheels back off the Beamer to the old owner, but in exchange, I got all the little bits I need. I know I didn't really need the center console, but I got all the power window switches and stuff and a few random bits. Unfortunately, I didn't get the airflow meter. I'm going to try this one. It's off an E36. No idea if it's going to work. Got the shift knob and then some more power window switches. Fiberglass front bar and the spoiler. But for now, I'm going to chop these horrible Holden Avanti wheels on it. But I plan on getting just some more other similar to them. We'll get a whole set of just some sort of lightweight BMW wheels. And yeah. Oh, we have movement. Okay. That sucks. Good when the old owners don't tell you that things don't work. This window's obviously not on its slider. So to go down, oh! I fucked it now. It is. Alrighty. Where is that meant to be? It's meant to be in there. We done got stuck now. Oh no. This one's bent as shit and it's out of its thing. Can you pass my pliers? They should be in there. Well, would have been nice if I was told all the stuff inside the electric window was buggered, but I managed to get it. Oh, as I say that, comes off. Apparently it's only on one thing at the moment. That'll do for me. Goes down. Hold my hand there. It goes up to there. But it's better than no windows. Well, now that that's half kind of not done, but kind of sort of okay, I'll try and clip this in. Pretty sure there's going to be screws on the outside, but I'm just going to drill some holes for cable ties through. Everything's falling apart. Center console thing now. Hopefully the cigarette lighter works so I can charge my phone in that. Look at that. Oh, that'll be right. Is it going to screw on? Oh, fuck. Apparently, doesn't want to screw on. But looks like someone's had some sort of aftermarket shifter on here and completely coated it in tape and some sort of rubber shit. Well, and another thing. Well, it doesn't screw on because this is hollowed out and missing everything. Bloody hell. Oh well, doesn't matter. I can get parts. It's just annoying that I was told it came with the car, and guess what? It doesn't. Put this plug on somehow. Oh Jesus. There we go. Looking beautiful. Back windows are working a charm. That one doesn't work. That one pretty much may as well not work. Let's see if this airflow meter's going to do something. I'll take the car down off its ramps. Oh, actually it's not even on ramps. I had to put it on ramps to get the jack under, but I should be able to take it off with the jack. Let's find out. One-handed. Will I be able to get it out? Easy. Oh, car's rolling forwards. Still rolling forwards. Let's pop the bonnet. So much stuff has been played with under here, it's so annoying. Like that looks like it should be plugged into something. Or is that an old fuse box? What the hell is going on there? Let's have a look if this airflow meter is even going to fit. Because he didn't give me the airflow meter. So my mates tried to help and give me this one off the E36, but what do you know, it doesn't fit. Fuck. It's probably got a different plug too for the bloody airflow meter compared to the E36. It seems like that wants to plug onto something airflow metery around here, but I have a plug that looks like that. Sick. Just me down here today. I'm going to try and fit this fiberglass M3 front bar to the beamer. I'll take those fog lights out, put them in the M3 bar. But yeah, because it's just me, I'll do a bit, film, do a bit, film, blah blah blah. Yeah. Take that off. Apparently this one pops out. Maybe you do it from the other side. Well, there we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, it's fucking warm. That baby air. Sweet. Now, I got the bolts out of the front bar. It's like half off. Apparently these ones on this side aren't even on. The little bolts down the bottom that I found out about. Oh, it doesn't look like it's meant to happen. Well, I need to put the camera down. Well, that fog light's unplugged. Let's go to the other side. Have a look at what I need to do. So I want to get rid of this. It's half out. So I sliced that bit off and got the bar off. Now I've just got to take the sort of rear support thing out and put it into the new bar. There's another one. There's another one. Well, that didn't achieve much. More bloody clips. Oh. I think I got all the damn clips off. Yay. Here we go. I'm going to bolt that on and then just cable tie this over the front so it's easy to take on and off quickly. Beautiful. Well, it was a bit of a bugger, but I've just sat the bar on, put 2 cable ties in it. Looks good. I'll take it outside so we can get a bit of a better walk around. Yeah, it's looking nice with the M3 bar on now. I had to put those front wheels on because I gave the guy that I got the car off his wheels back. He was meant to give me an airflow meter and tail lights, but no bingo, so I just went and bought some myself. Put some stickers on the car. They're all made by us at Racecare Co. I got an airbox for it. Still waiting for the airflow meter, like I said, but airbox is good. The M3 bar looks nice. Really not much left to do. I'll cover this hole in the back just with a bit of sheet metal. I'll make a sort of cross brace. I probably will put some sort of race seat in it and change the steering wheel, but for now it's fine. Let's see these HRDs with the front bar, and it should look good. Actually, the main thing I do need is front shocks. Have a look at this. Ready? And stop. 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 There you go.